Hi everyone. So today we are going to see how we can automate MySQL database backup using PHP script, and also we are going to schedule a background job for this script. Okay. So let's start. First, we will see, do we have a database in our MySQL? Yes. So we are having some attendance, face, okay, QR registration and user ID. So we are having this database. Now we will create one script. Okay, I'll create one script and save it as a. I'll create new folder here. Okay, new folder database underscore backup. Okay, so this is our database. Sorry, this is our folder where we will keep our script, and I will give name backup database. Dot. So in this script, what we needed user ID, password, and then where it is hosted. Okay, and where we want to keep the backup of this file. So I will just create one user ID in my MySQL. So here, if I go, I will click on add user ID. Then I will give user as a backup. Okay, and I will keep it as a local host. So it's this user will not accessible, means he should not able to log in outside or without localhost URL. Okay, I will give password and I will generate. Okay, so this is my password. Give here password and name backup. Now here I will give full access. It depends on you what access you want to give. Currently I am giving full access, but generally I am going to use this ID for a backup purpose. Okay, so go. So our ID is created. Backup password I have given just like 921. So that's the reason it is showing me that Chrome error. Not error, means keep your password as a strong password. So our database is here. Okay, now I will take backup of this user ID. Okay, then what I will take, one more phase is the, you can take if you are having any single database only, you can pass here only single database. If you are having multiple database, then you can pass multiple database name. We have taken this one and we will take second one as a signature one. So two database I needed to take backup. Then here is a date, and then what we are going to do, we are going to give the name of our backup, the directory, then the backup for this database name, then underscore backup, then the date format, and the format of backup will be .sql. Okay, now second thing, I required MySQL file path. Now this file path is required because we need to execute the query. Okay, so I will go into this folder. I will go in bin. Okay, MySQL. I'm using MySQL 9 bin. Okay, this file path we need it. Now if I show you, I am using same file path. Okay, wamp bin MySQL, MySQL 9.0 and bin and SQL dump. Okay, so this will be your file path. According to your file path, you will give, and also your database, like which database you are using, means version of that database, and then go in that MySQL and that version. Okay, and then copy the path from the bin. You can use this for the MariaDB also, so it will help you there also. Then we will create one folder in a D drive. Okay, so we will create one folder in a D drive with the naming it as a show more option, new folder. database. Okay, and then I will go inside this folder. I will take this file path and I will give it to here. Okay, so our backup file path is there and all things are set. Now we will run this code directly in a URL to just make sure our script is working fine. Okay, so local. So once we are running localhost, yes, so we can see we have given here messages down over here that if backup is successful, then display backup is successful, and the name and completed successfully. So this is one for first database, a user ID request, and this is for the signature database. Two database has been completed. Now again, I have written here code. So as per your requirement, you can do this. Like if the database it is more than 7 days now, like consider today I am taking a backup of my database, and after 7 days again the backup will keep running. So I don't want more than the 7 days. So this, if it is more than the 7 days, then it will search in a directory what are the files, all files it will search, and it will check the time span, and if it is more than 7 days, then it will remove that file, directly unlink that file. Okay, so this is it. I want to show you in a folder as well. So if you see in a folder, so our boot database is there. So our database is not that much big, so it is 35 kb and 3 kb. It was just database which we have created for our videos. If in case your database is large, if it is a 1 or 2 GB, then you can take one by one. You can make one script for one database and another script for the another database. Okay, and also you can schedule it. Now what we want to do, we want to schedule this one in a background. So we will go to task scheduler. Okay, in this task scheduler, what you needed, if you are not using WAM server, currently I am using WAM server. If you are not using a WAM server and you need to run this PHP file, then you need to install PHP for Windows separately, and then you can use this script and directly run if you are not using WAM server. Okay, so in this case I am using as a WAM server. So I will create a basic task. Okay, and I will also show you how you can schedule it multiple times. So our database backup, database backup, we will take this backup, okay, at 3:35 p.m. and 3. This is just a description, so it will not do. I am just giving description that we will take database backup, so anybody who is reading this task, you will understand. So daily backup, if you want to do it one time, then it will be one time backup. Okay, I will do daily backup, and then I will give it as a what timing we have given, 45 p.m. Okay, every day. Then next, then start program, and here now we will go to this one. So I'm using WAM, so I will go in a bin. Okay, inside WAM 64 I will go in beam, I will go in PHP, I will go in PHP version. Okay, and then I will search for PHP exe file. Okay, so this is my exe file. So this file, what it will do, it is exe file. So as per I told, if you are not having that file, okay, exe file, then you need to download PHP separately if you are not using WAM server. And this is our file path where it is inside the WAM server. Okay, so it is inside the WAM server wws. This is our file path. Then next and finish. Okay, so this is our job. Now again I will click on it. Okay, and now what we will do, I will do it run. Okay, then run without login means in case we are not login also, then this job should run. Then go to trigger and add a new. So daily I am taking. Okay, so I already set for evening time. Now morning also I needed to take backup in case you want to take two time backup. Okay, then okay, so our job is scheduled. So evening time also it will run and morning time also it will run. So I will click on okay, and we will wait for our job running. So as you can see over here, so our job is run and our files are generated. Okay, then I will give the script in a description below. But before downloading it, please do subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you for listening. Bye.